Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to hide your activity on Instagram, including your last seen time, login, and logout times, using Instagram settings without any additional apps. Just follow these steps before proceeding. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's get started with God's blessings. The first step, my friend, is to open the Instagram app. At the bottom, you will find the profile icon. Tap it, and then you will see 3 small lines. Tap them and wait for the following screen to appear. Wi-Fi signal is weak. Scroll down, and you will find messages and story replies. Tap them, and you will see read receipts. Here, you will find activity status. Tap Enable activity status, and here you can allow the accounts you follow, or anyone you message, to see your last seen time and current activity. If you turn this feature off, you will also be unable to see the activity status of other accounts. In other words, you will be hiding your last seen time on Instagram. Your Instagram activity is about others, but you also don't know when others logged in and out or their last Instagram activity.